The time clock option can be accessed simply by clicking on time clock. And here the employee needs to enter their employee number by simply typing it in or swiping it in with a magnetic or barcode card that you have made for them. The rest of the information will be filled in automatically as soon as they click on the punch in, punch out button. When there is an error or a missed punch in or punch out time by a certain employee, in order to fix this, you will utilize the time clock table. This table generally shows you a view of all the time clock records, but you can also correct errors by clicking on the respective button. Enter the correct date and employee number. After you find this record and do your changes, you can go back to the main menu.